Hello explorers, are you ready for a super cool challenge today? We're going to learn about some tricky but fun shapes. Octagons, crescents and arrows. These shapes are a little different from the ones we already know, but I know you're up for the challenge. Let's dive in. Look at this shape. This is an octagon. Can you say that with me? Octagon. Great. An octagon has 8 sides. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! Octagons also have 8 corners. What's shaped like an octagon? Oh, I know! Stop signs. Can you pretend to be a stop sign? When I say stop, freeze like this. Go. Stop. Let's try that again. Go. Stop. Great job. Now let's draw an octagon in the air. Start at the top and go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic work, explorers! Wow, what's this? It's a crescent! A crescent looks like a part of a circle. It's curved and shaped like the moon when it's not full. Can you say crescent with me? Crescent. Where have you seen a crescent before? Let's think. Oh look, there's the moon in the sky. What else looks like a crescent? A croissant. Yum. Let's pretend to eat a crescent-shaped croissant. Chomp, chomp. Now let's make a shape with our arms. Hold them out and curve them like the moon. Perfect! Great crescents are everywhere, and now you know what to look for. Whoa! Look at this! This is an arrow. Arrows show us where to go. They can point up, down, left, or right. Can you say arrow? Arrow. Where is it pointing? Up! Let's all point up together. Now where is it pointing? Down! Let's point down together. Arrows are so helpful. We see them on signs, roads, and even in books. Let's draw an arrow together. Start with a straight line and make a pointy triangle at the end. There's your arrow. Let's play a quick game where the arrow points up, jump. When it points down, crouch. Ready? Let's go! Amazing work, explorers! You followed the arrows like pros! Wow! You've learned so much today! Let's review. First, we met an octagon. It has 8 sides and 8 corners. Where do we see octagons? That's right, stop signs. Then we learned about the crescent, which looks like the moon. Can you show me a crescent shape with your arms? Perfect. And finally, we saw the arrow, which points us in different directions. You did so well following the arrows in our game. You're 20 amazing subscribers for joining us on this fun learning adventure. You make every episode special, and we're so grateful